So in this lab 6.2.10, we are going to configure client addressing for DHCP. So the network at your company is configured to use DHCP, and the help desk received the report about a desktop in Office 2 having connection issue. So your task is to evaluate and resolve the problem, access the Office 2 computer, and do the following. We're going to hover over the network icon or access network and internet in settings to view the current connection status. Answer questions 1, determine how the IP address is currently assigned. Then answer question 2, make any necessary changes to fix the connection issue. And let's see. So we're going to hover over the network access and answer question, then determine how the IP address is currently assigned, make any necessary changes to fix the connection. All right, so let's start up lab immediately. So should in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and walk at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Alright, so we are inside the lab. Let us start up with the first task. So in Office 2, having connection issues, so we go to Office 2 and hover over the network icon. So let's go to Office 2. This is Office 2. We'll go to Office 2 laptop and we'll go hover over the network icon. So we're inside Office 2 and we'll go over the network icon and see what we have here. So answer question 1, does Office 2 have internet access initially? So let's minimize this and go back and confirm again. And this is the network area. So let's go to settings, network and internet, no internet here. All right, so we'll just go ahead and answer the question. So question to this is no. The answer to this is no. And let's maximize this. Go to Ethernet. So let's scroll down, and then click on edit. So this is currently set to manual. So let's change this to automatic and see if that fixed the issue. So select edit, and this area, and we answer question 2. How is the IP address currently located? Is manual. So let's minimize this and let's see, determine how the IP address is currently assigned. Answer question 2, make any necessary changes to fix the connection. Okay, so now that we've answered question 2, so let's make necessary changes that we feel will be able to fix the connection issue. Okay, so we'll go to settings. Okay, we're already in settings, and Ethernet, we scroll down and we go to edit, and we're going to change this to automatic and see if that is going to fix this issue. So let's select automatic, click save. Now it's now connected, so this has fixed the issue. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel.
Busy with health challenges, work, or family issues? We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.